This is a Panellift from Paragon Pro Manufacturing Solutions. Out of the box, its maximum reach is 11 feet. And as hard as it is for some of us to admit, sometimes that just ain't enough. So today, we're going to show you how to get 4 more feet with the 186 extension. This is your average Joe. Anytime he's working with materials above his head, he wears a hard hat and safety glasses. Pretty smart, average Joe. Average Joe has the 186 Panellift extension, and it replaces the telescoping section that came with your Panellift. There's work to be done, so let's get this extension in our lift. You'll need to remove the telescoping section first, and here's how. Remove the cradle and crossarms from the Panellift. Our average Joe puts them in the 117 storage cart for safekeeping, because he cares about his equipment. Next, wind the winch on your Panellift counterclockwise to get slack in the cable. Then, push the slack through the backside of the winch and release the cable. Once the cable is clear of the winch, give it a little tug so it raises the telescoping section slightly. Go ahead, do it. It's okay, it's what it's meant for. Now, you have some of the telescoping section to grab hold of in order to pull it out of the frame housing. Time to put the extension in its place. First, feed the cable down the frame housing and over the top of the pulley. Pull it through the frame housing. As you remove the slack, lift the extension and slide it into the frame housing. Next, take the cable and feed it through the back of the winch. Secure it snugly under the clip on the inside of the winch and turn it clockwise until the slack in the cable is all gone. Finally, take your safely stored cradle from your 117 cart and place it back on the Panellift. You're ready to build even bigger. Nice work, average Joe. Please visit ParagonProMFG.com for full instructions and to learn more about our products.